What's going on, everybody? Today I'm going to show you how to lower the spare tire on a 5th gen Toyota 4Runner. All the tools you're going to need are behind this panel on the left hand side of the trunk. Once you open the panel, you're going to notice this bag that's wrapped up and it's held on by a strong rubber band. Go ahead and remove that. Inside the bag you'll find a wrench to remove the lug nuts on the tire, as well as the pieces that you need to put together to lower the tire itself. This piece here is to remove the center cap on the wheels, and then this hook piece is for the jack. You then need to assemble the two straight brown pieces. You do this by inserting the one into the other, and you can tighten up the screw with the handle piece. Then attach the handle to the end and tighten up the thumb screw. Next, you want to find the hole that's located on the top side of the bumper near the center. Next, insert the rod into the hole. Sometimes it takes a little bit of finagling to get it indexed into the actual slot, but just keep messing with it until it locks in. You'll know it's indexed once it drops in that final inch, and then it's a little bit harder to turn. You'll then want to turn the lever counterclockwise to lower the tire. Once the tire touches the ground, you'll then want to keep cranking for at least 3 or 4 more times. This lowers the chain down, making it easier to access the tire. There's then a small plate that you want to turn 90 degrees and pull up out of the wheel. Once you're done changing the wheel and want to put it back underneath the vehicle, you're going to put the plate back through the wheel, turn it 90 degrees, and tighten up the chain by turning it clockwise. This will bring the wheel back up underneath the vehicle. And if anyone knows why the rim on the spare tire is yellow, please let me know in the comments down below. I have my theories, but I'd like to hear what you guys think. Once the tire touches the bottom of the vehicle, you'll then want to do another half crank just to make sure it's nice and snug. You can then remove the rod, disassemble it, and put it back into its carrying case. The last thing you want to do is put it back into the compartment and secure it with a rubber band. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and please consider giving this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and check out all my other 4Runner maintenance videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.